In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an expense report in Expensify. We'll walk through this from the very beginning, so even if you're new to Expensify, you'll be able to follow along. Go ahead and open your browser and navigate to the Expensify website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see a variety of options, but for now, we're going to focus on creating a brand new report. Look towards the lower left side of your screen and find the plus sign. This is the main button you'll use whenever you want to add something new in Expensify. Click on that plus sign. A small menu will pop up with a few different options. From this menu, choose Create Report. This tells Expensify that you want to start a new expense report rather than just adding a single expense on its own. You may see a confirmation or a follow-up screen that again highlights the Create Report option. If you do, simply click Create Report once more to confirm. After that, Expensify will generate a new blank report for you. Now that your report is created, it's time to start adding expenses to it. On your new report screen, look for the button labeled Add Expense. Go ahead and click on Add Expense. You'll usually get a choice between adding an existing expense, like one that was automatically imported from a card, or creating a new one manually. For this walkthrough, select Create Expense. When you choose to create an expense, Expensify may guide you through a short setup flow. Click Next to move forward if you see that option. This will bring you to the main expense details screen where you'll fill in the key information. First, click on Merchant. This is where you enter the name of the vendor or place where the expense occurred, like a hotel, restaurant, or store. Type in the correct merchant name so your approver can clearly see where the money was spent. Next, click on Category. The available categories are usually set up by your company, and they might include things like travel, meals, lodging, or office supplies. Choose the category that best fits this particular expense. Correct categories help your finance team code everything properly. Once you've reviewed the details and everything looks accurate, click on Create Expense. That saves this expense to the report you just created. You can repeat the same process to add more expenses to this report until it's complete.